Hello guys, it's a giveaway motovlog here. It's been a while since I last recorded my video. So I didn't quit motovlogging, I'm still around. The reason why I didn't upload too many videos since then was simply because I wasn't riding my bike very often over the last winter. So this is the reason why you haven't seen me around for quite a while. It's a springtime, as you can see. The weather is very warm. I need some gas, so I think I'm going to stop for a refill. So if you ask me what are the prices for the oil, for the gas, for the gasoline, you can see it here. Well, these people are quite shocked about the fact that I'm talking English. Well, anyway, who cares? So I'm gonna get a full tank of regular petrol, which is 92, they call it here. Ron 92. Полный бак можно? Which is gonna cost me around $2. And my tank is like 7.5 liters. So it's a bargain. So I'm at the open market, which is like a people's market. Every Sunday, you know, people come here to buy some agricultural, you know, organic produce like the potatoes, vegetables, fruits, flowers, clothing, and a bunch of other things. You see? They have the stalls and everything, so there are such markets like in the city's most populated districts, neighborhoods. This is one way for people to socialize, to communicate, you know, to interact. I usually don't do this like that because it's quite dangerous, right, to overtake the cars like this. But when I see that it's safe, when I see that there are no threats, I do it. But the police can easily stop me for this. Я сейчас уеду. Придется оставить.
Камеру. О, салам, Нурс.
Кстати, она пишет.
Потом. Привет, Нурс. Как смотришь? Как семья, дети, кошки?